What's good? What's good? What's good? I don't know why my other monitor not turning on right now. That's weird. But what do we have today? Um, we have this on a 4 hour. So we took out this high yesterday. Took out that high, but I think we can take out this high. Those are kind of like equal highs. ES is ES looks like it wants to push higher. We did trade into this inefficiency on ES. We respected the gap here, as you can see. The candle wick through it, but the bearish candle closed inside. So we still may want to go higher on ES. We do have. Let me go to the 4 hours a little bit better. We do have all these highs up here, so I do think that we can. We have this high. These are kind of like equal, so we could get there if we're following a higher time frame bias. So we have to wait and see what price does around this inefficiency here on ES. On NQ, we completely rebalanced this gap. So let me see, anything on the daily? No. 1 hour, no. All right, let's mark everything up. All right, we got the 9:30 opening there. We got the 8:30 opening bell here at 896. See if I can finesse it. I can't. 8:30. We got the 12 o'clock here. 96350. All right, that's solid. We also got London low is right here. We got this sell side. We got the sell side there. 9:30 opening. We have the 11:30 here. President Trump speaks at 11. Okay. At 9:30, we swept all the liquidity here. We left this low intact though. We swept all this. We swept all this liquidity. We kind of broke structure to the upside here, as you can see. We got this order block here, and then we also have the first presentation fair value gap here. Let me see, first fair value gap. Extend right. First Prezi presented itself at 9:39 a.m. So let's see if we stay bullish. Let's see if we respect that gap. See, the candles respected the gap, as you can see here. We also got low, high, low, high, high, low, higher, high, breaker here. So let's see if we come back below the breaker low. We shouldn't. We tapped it right here, the breaker low. We tapped it right there, as you can see. This is the breaker here. So we tapped it with this candle at 9:43. So let's see if we stay above and attack the buy side. Macro comes in at six minutes. We taking today light. We gonna do something light today. I actually ended up did blowing not blowing, but I actually did end up failing or failing my first Topstep account. I bought a new one last night. I went by this all wrong. I felt like I was being too confident, and I was being too confident when it comes to taking trades, which is a good thing. You're right, but I was being a little too confident. I was doing more than I should have, and I was really just I was in a rush trying to pass the account I actually deferred from my actual plan a little bit, and I thought I was okay with it, but I realized like, nah, I might as well just do the right thing. You feel me? Take it a little bit more serious. I was kind of over trading on this account, so I'm gonna just stick to my plan, and you feel me? If I stick to my plan, it'll work out 100%. So 110% at that. So just gotta stick to the plan. Just be patient and let things play out. That's all I gotta do, and then not worry about trying to pass it. You feel me? So that's what I got going forward. Yeah. See what ES wants to do. I'm looking at NQ real quick. We do have this inefficiency on the 1 hour. We tapped into it at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and now we back inside this, right? Price can, I am bullish still. I am still bullish. I don't want to trade against the higher time frame. That, as you can see, it never works out. We also have this little inefficiency here. Didn't even notice that, but price respected it to the T. As you can see, you closed outside of the gap. So I'm gonna stick with the higher time frame bullish. I'm not trading against the higher time frame. If there's no model or setup that delineates from the higher time frame, then I won't even take a trade. So just gonna wait and see. This wouldn't be a bad long here if I were to trade within this opening range. We got another opening range gap. Oh, here. A high, lows there. Opening range gap, consequent encroachment is here. Macro comes in here soon. Opening range gap is here. Let's see if we can get there within the next 10 minutes. Usually between 9 to 9:30, we will get to the midpoint of the opening range gap. It's a 70% chance likelihood that we do get there. So we're gonna see if we can get there today. Yesterday we didn't get there, but we'll see. So we got this whole entire order block here. This is an order block because we got the imbalance here. First Prezi, we're respecting it here. So we respected the breaker low here, as you can see, lined up perfectly. So let's see if we can get here and get here. Take a look at ES. What is ES doing? So ES, if we close above this, that'll be nice for me. Where are we at in terms of where are we at? We're below the midnight opening price. I like that a lot. I really do like that. I want to be going long under the midnight opening price. So Trump speaks in an hour at 11. Wonder what the dollar's doing. Came into this inefficiency here on the dollar. Now, am I recording? Okay, bet. Now, we stayed in the lower quadrant of the gap. We do have equal lows here, so if Trump talks, price, I'm not sure. I can't really predict, but I do see these equal lows being ran, and this could be the inefficiency to do so. You feel me? So we stay in the lower quadrant. Kind of already made like a swing high. You feel me? So if this is going to go lower, then ES and NQ should go higher. We currently are at a new week opening gap on NQ, and I want to see this new week opening gap used as support. So I want to see price stay above it, preferably the stay in the upper quadrant. So let's see. Kind of made equal highs right there. Macro just started 1 minute ago, so. But but yeah, back to what I was saying. Yeah, I kind of did rush myself when it comes to trading this account. Um, I was too worried about the date. I feel like that played a role on my psychology and my performance. I feel like uh, overall, for the most part, I was kind of just trying to rush it, trying to overdo my part, trying to do more than I needed to do. You feel me? So, in trading, bro, when you doing that, I feel like when you're doing more than you need to do, it could be a good thing and a bad thing. Waiting for NQ to take the high, then look for a sell model down to London and the daily gap. Talking about this gap here, this volume imbalance. I'm looking at ES, and I want to see it stay above this 4 hour. It'd be nice if we can and take this high and continue to the upside for the most part. Yes, okay. That's a good little. I can see that move happening. I can see this move happening. I kind of don't want to trade against the higher time frame right now. We did close below this BISI here, this fair value gap, but I still think that we can go higher. I could be wrong though, but if a setup doesn't yield, if there isn't a setup to go long, then I won't engage. Then that'll be it. But it'd be nice if we can like. I mean, we kind of already. I just have to wait and see. Wait for a little bit more information. But I want to see how this 4 hour candle closes. If this 4 hour candle closes like this, I will expect to see price maybe trade back into this. Maybe we just gotta wait and see. Waiting for NQ to take this high, then looking for a sell model down to London low and daily gap. What is ES looking like on a 15-minute? On ES we have, let me just mark it out. At 9:30 we have that there. Respected the order block here. We do have this inefficiency here we could reach up into on ES if we wanted to. So I want to see how ES closes above this 4 hour inefficiency here. Trump speaks in an hour. Yeah. I'm hoping that when Trump starts speaking, we'll start going short from here, taking out these equal lows. That'd be nice if we did that. What is the weekly looking like? The weekly we have this inefficiency here. Damn, I didn't even see that. We're gonna wait and see. I looked at this morning, and I did see we had like a change in the state of delivery here. I mean, we started it up here, but it's a little bit more cleaner on the 1 hour. We broke past this low, so um, shorts wouldn't be a bad idea, but today is Thursday, so Thursday, Friday, we likely to have some type of reversal. Maybe today, maybe. So okay, this is nice, kinda. Let me on ES. Did we take out a high? We did take out this high on ES. Took out that high at 8:30. Um, but this should be here acting as an inversion. NQ swerved me. What you mean? It left without you? Definitely did, huh? Sheesh. Let me see on the 30-second. Was there like a signal to get in on that? Oh yeah, that was a signal on the 30-second. On the 30-second, we kind of got an S&T. You see on ES, we took out that high. NQ, we didn't take out that high. We broke lower displacement. Entry could be here. That'd be nice. Could have targeted stop above that. Could have targeted that low. That would have been a good scalp right there. So I'll get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So we kind of just violated this breaker here in this order block. Well, order block hasn't been violated just yet. We do got the mean threshold of the order block, so let's see. Wait. Mean threshold there. So yeah, like I said, it'd be nice if we can close above this. I do see this little gap here. This little volume imbalance. On the 4 hour. 8 seconds, so 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Macro still in play. We couldn't reach the opening range gap. It just kind of where we open at? We got this protraction lower, right? Protraction lower, we took out that low. Trade into the order. Definitely not a bad trade right here. It's 10 o'clock, 10:01. Definitely not a bad setup. entry could have been, let me see. Here, target that. 22 points, that's not bad. First target there. Second target would be here. Look at ES. What's ES doing? No. Okay. We got the 1 minute breaker structure here, changing the state of delivery. You got it here as well. The price may, let me see. We got that gap there now. This looks like a good setup for me. Looks like a good setup. Want to see if we can trade back into this gap. I am looking at the 1 hour as well. And let me hold on, let me go back to ES. It is a little difficult today, but that's okay. That is okay. Okay, I'm gonna go short in there now. I want to see it get up in there on the broker. I mean on here. Alright, we traded up inside of it.
Order filled.
Stop loss there. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this is enough to go low. This is a 2 hour trade right here.
Order filled.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did I buy that or sell that? Give me 1 second.
Order filled.
Sell market.
Order filled.
Oh, okay, this shit's tripping.
Order filled.
There you go. That's bogus, bro. I clicked sell market and it was closing my position. Like, what type of stuff is that? Didn't even give me the right amount to.
Order
There we
filled.
go. That's good enough right there. Dang, bro, that's crazy, bro. Like, I'm in a position and it closes it. What type of stuff is that? That's crazy work, bro. That's crazy. I've never seen that happen before. Look at my entry, bro. Like crazy work, but we good though. Not that it's not that bad of an entry, I guess. Wonder how we treat this gap. Oh my god, that was fast. 335 divided by 2. My stops are originally supposed to be like here for the most part, above the high. Mad my entry wasn't in here. I mean, kind of a little irritating, but we'll see. I hope price leaves this SMT in place. I hope we don't come back and take that and then go lower. Hope we just run lower, and then it would be nice if we looking for equal lows here. I could target maybe. We already did take out this high. So let's see if that was enough. I don't want to see price stay here for too long. That's what I don't want to see. And I want to see us stay in the lower quadrant. We can wick through it like we did here, but I really want to see us stay in this area and go short from that area from here. Man, this entry, bro. I don't know what's wrong with Topstep. Like, why did that have to happen? But is this inefficiency enough here to take us higher? You really shouldn't come back above this high. But if we close here, I'll have to kill the. Really don't want to kill it, but I don't want to see us trade in this area here. I want to see us start to deliver lower from this area. We took out this. We took out these highs here. We got 1 try, 2 try, 3 tries, 4 tries. So this should act as a case in like a what is it? Three drives pattern, whatever. Dang, I did not like that. That's what I don't want to see. We got the equal highs on the Dow. We got this inefficiency on the 1 minute here. 15 minute. We probably are gonna stay above this candle here. The shorts just looked kind of clean, man. Damn. Probably have to chalk this one up. This will probably be a loss.
Order filled.
All right. To our trade. The macro should have sent this lower though. It would have been nice if we would have sent that lower. Tap into that again. How much did I risk? 400. All right. Damn, bro. PAB has been so annoying. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. I ain't tripping. Just giving out like false signals and stuff like that. You know, shit's annoying. Kind of didn't want to trade. Damn, bro. I kind of didn't want to trade against the higher time frame, but this is the way this CB's holding up is like, and we broke below. We came back and traded below the first Prezi. We had displacement from it, so like the moves look promising, bro. We have displacement here. They look super promising. It's just not it, bro. Just not it. Now I'm gonna just wait, bro. I'm gonna wait. I just got stopped out of my sale with this PA, LOL. The higher time frame is bullish, bro, and I keep telling myself not to trade against the higher time frame, but I'm looking at like price action. It just gives signals that it wants to that we could have went short from this area. I mean, we did have this on the 4 hour, but the way the the way this candle closed here, it just looked like, and the way it was forming, looked like we can sell from this area. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Look at ES. We swept that high. We'll probably if we're gonna go long from here, we should stay in here. We should stay in the upper quadrant of this SIBI. We should. And take out those equal highs. This is a swing low. Damn, this trade looked really, really good, bro. We had the equal lows here. Once it tap into it once, those equal lows a little bit. This looked like a really good setup. Trump speaks at 11. There may not be anything. I wonder if Trump gets in office. Dang, this completely switched the way it was looking. At first, it looking like it was about to drop. We may want to head into, when Trump gets in office, we may want to just, when Trump starts speaking, price may just expand higher. Feeling this in this little opening, this little volume imbalance here, this little gap, whatever you want to call it. We may fill that in. Damn, man. It really did. It really did. I thought it was about to smack. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. False promises, bro. Price is so random, bro. It is so random. I went short in here. It's looking like we're gonna take out these lows, to be honest. Unless we tap into this again and we use it to go higher. But price, this could just be an accumulation, right? This trade was so promising, bro. No cap. I should have went in with we are under, we are below. Damn. Kinda did. Should have risked a little lower, a little less than 4. We are, yeah, that's my fault. How long does anyone? I'm not touching again till 21920 or two gets taken. Yeah, yeah, facts. I gotta see some sweep of liquidity get swept first before I engage. Um, I was about to ask something. Oh, does anyone know how long Trump will be talking for, or is it like an all day thing? Got these candles here. If price breaks below, we can use this as an order block as well. Yeah, President Trump speaks. Yeah, at 11. I wonder how long that's gonna last for. Uh, yeah, I went in. I risked just a little bit too much. Um, I risked just a little bit too much. We are below the midnight end. I should have risked half of my position. You're good though. So price actually ended up trading to the lower quadrant of this SIBI here. Um, just gotta wait. We're gonna try to finish this week off strong though. This hasn't been my best week, but we're gonna try to finish it off strong, bro. I gotta eliminate those unnecessary trades. If I'm being honest with myself and with you guys, looking at this, we just consolidating, right? I probably should have waited till this high was swept. On ES, we had that high swept, so I figured it S&T. And we go short. Price was respecting the gap, as you can see here, here. We did go, we did leave out of that area for a little bit, but we traded back into a busy. Once I seen that, I probably should have either killed the trade or been a little bit more patient, letting things play out. So this 1 hour candle started here. It'd be nice if we even took this low and then we had like a reversal to the upside. That would have been nice, but if you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for your boy. You feel me? I would definitely appreciate that. Yeah, it's looking like when Trump starts speaking, he's gonna start talking about a lot of stuff he's gonna do, and we may, There's two scenarios that could happen: fall here and take out these equal lows, or we just expand higher, kind of rebalance this area here. A lot of back and forth action. I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. 30-minute. Tap into this inefficiency here on the 30. 15. Imagine I have a control and trying to short, sell, short, trying to short, buy, sell, buy, whatever. You would get chopped up in this, bro. Hmm. Okay. I did mention this earlier. Price may want to tap into that. We tap the buy side. Um, we take the buy side, tap into this inefficiency here. We stay in the lower quadrant of this inefficiency on the 4 hour. Then we can look for a short maybe. If if the scenario plays out like that. If we think the dollar is gonna go higher, ES should go lower for the time being. It is Thursday, so we gonna see, bro. If that setup can happen. But the 4 hour does kind of look clean. Very looks really clean. We take that high, so we would tap in into an area like this maybe. From this range, high to low. Yeah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping, bro. I went short inside this. This is crazy. It'd be better if we came above equilibrium and we swept the high, then I went short. But I went short without any of that taking place. Yeah, I'm tripping. That's my fault. For hour? Oh, okay. I got some information last night. So I got seasonal influence per calendar month. In January, we're usually bearish. February, we're usually bullish. March, we consolidate a lot. In April, we're bullish. May, we're bearish. June, we consolidate, ending bearish. July, bullish into mid-year high. August, consolidation. September, first half bullish. Second half is bearish. October, bullish. November, bullish. December, bullish. Going into last year, November, December time, we were bullish, right? October, we were bullish. The last 3 months, October, November, December. So let's see. We've been bullish for the most part. I would say this whole entire January, though. Kinda, right? Look at the daily. since January. I mean, we're bearish here, bearish. And then we pushed up. February, bullish. Let's see if we can take this high now. 1033. Okay, we swept that high. We swept this high here. That's at 9. Yep. Let's see what happens. Just trade inside this SIBI here on the 4-hour. Let me delete that. There. Just trade inside the 4-hour SIBI. On ES, what did we do? On ES, we really didn't do anything. Yeah, we didn't do anything on ES for the most part except sweep these highs. This order block, proportion block, whatever you want to call it. Proportion. Order block proportion. Damn, bro. I kind of contradicted myself a little bit. Only thing is, we just didn't take out. We took out these lows here. We didn't take out. But we didn't take out this low from London. Where is this low at? 855. and just completely rebalance this whole entire 4-hour inefficiency. And we tap the opening range gap, consequent encroachment. So I want to see if we reverse from this area, or do we keep expanding higher? This sideways motion looks horrible, bro. It just looks bad. DEI new pronouns equals we were don't short. DEI new pronouns. What you talking about, bro? Don't short. It's just like a breaking market structure, right? On the 5-minute here, we got a high, low, higher high, breaker. Literally, you just gotta be patient and just wait. We already traded back. We already traded into, yeah, fair value got filled. Yeah, we already traded into the upper quadrant. So like, I mean that can happen, but I don't want to see that happen too often. As much. We got this fair value gap here. I want to see if we use that as an inversion and go lower. After taking the buy side here and rebalancing here and tapping to the opening range gap here. Let's see what we do from that area. Fifteen minute close in 4 minutes. I want to see how this closes. I want to see if we make a gap here. If we make a gap here, but it's just too much going on right now. Look at all this. It's just too much. Rouge even. The stop would have to go. Nah. You got the change here. Let's see if we stay below this candle. 30-second. Wicks are gaps, so let me go to the 1 minute really. We use this whole entire gap as a order block. I mean fair value gap here. This wick. Where do we whoa. Don't know that right now. Or do we stay above? We stay heavy above this, huh? This candle right here taps into some volume imbalances here and there. Let's see if this holds or we break lower. If we can get a break lower, that'd be nice. We break lower than this and validate this order block. Use this as an inversion. We make like a swing low here. Just place past it with a fair value gap. That'd be nice. We just tapped into this 4 hour imbalance right there as well. But if you're looking at price action looks like it just wants to explode and head for these highs. Being honest, if you're looking at the higher time frame, right, 4 hour, it's looking like that's what it wants to do. Wait for lunch. I'm down 400 today. Down 400. I took a short. I took a short here. Right? No. Go to the 30 second. Give me 1 minute. I took a short here, right? After seeing we didn't take this high, but on ES we did take the high. We broke lower here, right? Inefficiency here. Respected it. And I went short here. You see what 1050 did? 1050. What the 1050? You mean 950? You mean 950, right, bro? But yeah, I went short here. I tried to add on a position, but it ended up closing my positions. That's crazy. I don't know why that happened. So we just waiting, man. We just gonna wait. Nothing's really going on right now. There ain't no reason for me to engage as of right now. So just gonna wait. Watch the higher time frame. News comes out in 14 minutes. Yeah. Just gonna wait and be patient. I'll drop my Discord link server below really quick for you guys. I know a few people on Instagram was asking about that. If they're in the stream, invite. I'm already up. Bro, trading when the volume been out the market. I'm already up 1400. Good shit, bro. That's my Discord link. That's how you do it, bro. So this order block kind of did hold up here, as you can see. We tap into this breaker here. High, low, higher, high. Tapped into it there. 2.6K in the last 2 days. That's tough, bro. That's how you do it, no cap. Good shit, bro. That's how you do it, bro. Just put in equal highs there. Initial buy side. So we traded above this here. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna head for this. And if that's the case, damn, the dollar isn't even moving. We may have to wait till Trump gets in office in order for this to. I mean, not the office. My bad. Um, we may have to wait for him to start talking. He speaks in about 12 minutes. So ES and Q already looking like he's gonna have his move, do his move, while AMD accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This would be the accumulation, right? And let's say this could be the manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and then we distribute to the downside. That could be nice, but we're already kind of pushed above. I mean, this doesn't mean anything. Just because we pushed above it doesn't really mean anything. If we close above it, then that's a little different. We do have this inefficiency here on the 1 hour. Price could want to trade into, maybe we could get there. So we're just gonna wait and see. We 13 subs away from 400, man. 13 subs away, man. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, and you can comment and subscribe, and you feel me? That'd be nice. "13 subs away from 400. I wonder if we can get that today. We can get that today. So the next draw on liquidity for ES for me would be this rejection block here, there, and then these highs here. You got the rejection block here from the 4 hour. It also aligns with this inefficiency here. So let's see. So we swept the high here already, right? We swept this high, swept the initial buy side there. Let's see if we break lower, or do we respect this gap here and this here. We really should stay above this for the most part. If we're bullish and gonna continue, if price is gonna continue to go higher, we should stay above this candle. You're gonna see though. You're gonna see. What? Am I tripping? Top? Whoa, why is that at the bottom? Bottom. Top. Now it's on top. That's weird. That's hella weird. Oh shit. Today price action was trash. Hella trash, bro. I agree with you, bro. I agree with you. I don't know if you was here earlier when I went short, but we seen this price action happen, right? We seen all this happen. We kind of printed in these equal lows a little bit. To me, I would consider these equal. It's not too far from that. We printed this in here. We stabbed into it there. I went short. My bad. I went short from this fair value gap here. And it looked clean. And price just went right against me. ES has swept its high. So ES swept the high that was formed here. So ES is still looking bullish, while NQ is giving out false signals to go short. I feel like. Let's see though. We gonna wait and see, man. If I wasn't live streaming right now, bro, I'd be so bored. You feel me? Cause this is boring, just sitting here looking at candles waiting for shit to play out. It's hella boring. That's why I actually decided to start live streaming, hold myself accountable, get better, do it in front of people, and it's kind of a little fun. You feel me? But imagine going short here, but going long here. Dang. Then you got this inversion here, right? I mean, you got this fair value gap here. Price closed below it. What if you would have went short here? Stop loss there, you would have got tagged. False promises, bro. NQ giving out them false promises, man. Shit crazy. Shit done got serious, bro. Shit done got serious. What's that mean by little baby? Shit done got serious, bro. Shit done got serious. Macro started here. We got about 10 minutes left until it's over with. So we just looking for one more good trade, then we done. One more trade of the day, then we'll be done. If it's there, we'll take it. If it's not, then we'll either just take this loss and come back tomorrow. But you gonna see, man. It is 11 o'clock. So let's see what Trump got to say. What's good? Quick clips, bro. What's good, my boy? Um, oh, shit, I almost had to sneeze. Damn. I'm gonna grab a water real quick. I'll be right back. It's the best water right here. Ice Mountain. Y'all better tap in. Nine 4775. I wonder, is it like a video? Is there like a live stream of Trump speaking? There ain't nothing live. There ain't nothing live, so Jackson Block. We tapped into it right there. Usually, like when price taps into like gaps like this, price will usually come back to these. I've been noticing that like for like the past 2 months, bro. Okay, this looks like a one drive, two drive, three drive. This looks like a this looks like a three kings drives pattern. That's what it's called. Type in Barry Cunningham. He streams it live now.
It's time to refocus on what truly matters, your own well-being. Whoop is the 24/7 wearable that helps members like me achieve their...
My administration is acting with unprecedented speed to fix the disasters we've inherited from a totally inept group of people and to solve every single crisis facing our country. This begins with confronting the economic chaos caused by the failed policies of the last administration. Over the past 4 years, our government racked up $8 trillion in wasteful deficit spending and inflicted nation-wrecking energy restrictions, crippling regulations, and hidden taxes like never before. The result is the worst inflation crisis in modern history and sky-high interest rates for our citizens and even throughout the world. Food prices and the price of almost every other thing known to mankind went throughout the world. Food prices and the price of almost every other thing known to mankind went through the roof. President Biden totally lost control of what was going on in our country, but in particular with our high inflation economy and at our border. Because of these ruinous policies, total government spending this year is $1.5 trillion higher than was projected to occur when I left office just 4 years ago. Likewise, the cost of servicing the debt is more than 230% higher than was projected in 2020. The inflation rate we are inheriting remains 50% higher than the historic target. It was
Okay. So we tapped into that there. On the 15-minute. couple of volume imbalances there as well. Wouldn't really short right here because we tapped into a 15-minute. We tapped into this inefficiency here, so I really wouldn't short that. We left behind these equal highs as well. So let's wait it out a little bit. Okay. Okay. I take that back. Sheesh. Sheesh. So we said forget that inefficiency, right? We are gonna go lower. The dollar looks like it may wanna continue to the upside now, right? And we can come into this. Whoa, hold on. Whoa. Doesn't this look different now? Oh, snap. This looks hella different. Wasn't there like a gap or something right here? I can't be tripping, right? I'm gonna go back on my live stream and look at that. But it looks like, wasn't there like a gap right here? Or something? Anybody remember this gap from earlier I was talking about? It looks different now, right? What? That's crazy work. Just follow the higher time frame. This is one crazy drop. Let me see if I would have went short there. Stop would have to be here. Stop loss. I would have targeted that for a 1 to 5. Even if I would have longed this here, my stop would have had to be 26 points. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. I would have sniped something like that if I think the dollar's gonna. Oh shit. It's looking like one of them days, don't it? Oh snap. Looking like one of them days, man. One of them days. If price trades back into this, we do have the equal highs. I don't think it'll just take the equal highs, most likely, maybe. We got those equal highs right there on the 15-minute. Those look super clean. Those look super smooth. We took out the low here. We also inside this 15-minute. We traded from this 15-minute. So I may do one more. I may add one more here. Let me get rid of this. It's kind of in the way. This will be my last trade if it gets there. I gotta make, there's no more than 200. So I'll start out with 3 contracts first to see.
Order filled.
Stop loss there. I can do one more.
Order filled.
All right. Got the equal highs. Let's see if it's one of those days. We already traded into the 15-minute. We're already trading into this 15-minute gap here. My stop is here, which is inside the gap. Got the equal highs here, so let's see what we can do. This will be my last trade. Discount. Order block. Got the equal highs there. On ES, we tap into this inefficiency as well. Got more equal highs on ES. Let's see if this plays out. My stop loss was here, right? Go to the 1 minute. Stop loss is below. This candle's low. I don't want to put it here. I don't want to put it here. This is too large. So maybe here. We already closed outside of the gap, which is what I don't want to see. So we tapped into this inefficiency one more time. Let's see if we can stay strong from this 15-minute. I hope our stop is protected. We got the order block here. Mean threshold is here. So I got it below the mean threshold. So I should be safe if this is going to go short. If we're going to go long from here. And then risk management, we're risking 200. Half of the position, half of what we lost from the first trade. We are below the midnight opening price as well. So that may be something. That may be nice. Maybe some for us. Mean threshold is here. First target. It'll be the first target here. It's buy side if we can get there. And then you got the first target. And let's see. You got this displacement candle. This is like a displacement candle. We already had tapped into the 15-minute inefficiency, so we left behind these equal highs. With what Trump is saying, the dollar should be going Hmm. Damn. If this is going lower, right? This should be going higher, but it's not the case right now. So tap into this candle here as well. On a 8-minute, we got this. So like, we tapped into it with this candle and that candle. Well, I was looking at earlier, even the days prior to today, there was like some type of gap here, right? But it seems like they cleared it up. I don't know how, but it's looking like we want to target these equal lows now. Now that Trump is talking, we back on side. We may want to target the equal lows, and if we can do that, then hopefully we should be able to push higher on NQ and ES. And whenever these lows get taken, if this is the correct move, if we're gonna take out these lows today, if that happens today, then when this happens, then I'll cut my entry if I'm in profit. If those lows get taken, I'll end it there. So we got this inefficiency here. Let's see if we make a gap, which we just did a little bit. So let's see what we do out of this area. I believe this is a lot of back and forth action. We are following a higher time frame, right? So that's, as long as we're doing that, that's I'm okay with that. But mean threshold of the order block, as you can see, we still held up here. Of this whole entire order block, we held up once, two, three times. What else? I don't want to like jinx myself, but I don't know if let's see if we reclaim this as a bullish fair value gap, because we traded through it. Now let's see if we reclaim it now. If we can reclaim it, that'd be nice. On the ES, what are we doing? Got those smooth highs there and that high there. Okay, so I would want to see price close outside of this gap here. This CB here, I want to see like a solid closure above it. Okay, we got it there. Let's see if we stay around this area and we create a gap. Let's see if we create like a tiny gap inside here. Cause we did break past this swing high here. And you can see, let me get rid of this real quick. Entry was there, right inside the gap, which is perfect. We broke past this swing high, as you can see with this candle here. We had a solid closure above it. We left open this gap here, super tiny if you can see it. Super tiny. These look smooth to me. Depending on how this closes, we'll have to see. Up 120. What do we have here? So we have high, low. Let me go to the 2 minute. High, low, another high. So let's see. We are buying below the midnight opening price, which is my criteria for how I should be entering trades. I like that. I like how I entered right inside the gap. Respected the mean threshold. Like I said, we shouldn't really trade below this. If we do, then it's cooked. We took out the high there. I don't want to go break even just yet. But I will definitely. I mean, yeah, I can go break even. Yeah, we took out these equal highs. I can go break even. I'll be okay with that. Looking at ES. More equal highs there. So just broke it there. Second target would be here. Third target would be there. Well, this would be the first target, kind of, basically, right? Yeah. Well, first target, second target, third target is a 1 and 2. And if we wanted to just test our luck today, may leave a runner if we can get up to this area, if that's possible. We can look at the midnight open as a drawn liquidity as well. Price usually gets back to that area. There aren't any fair value gaps being printed, which is what I want to see, but I will have to start grading these wicks. Treat these wicks as gaps, right? Wicks are gaps. And I want to see us stay in like the upper quadrant of this wick. More equal highs. So if I were to go to like a 15-second, those are kind of like equal highs as well there. All right. Well, trade been risk free. We up 200 now, so see what the dollar is still going lower, which is nice, super nice. I think we can get there today. If we can get to these equal lows today, hey, that'd be a blessing, right? I stayed patient. I waited for the sweep. We traded inside. This kind of happened to me, I want to say yesterday. Yeah, this happened to me yesterday. The same exact thing happened. I seen the same exact thing play out. We had a higher time frame inefficiency, like a 5-minute or 15-minute, right? We traded into it. We came back into it. We took the low. Then we displaced higher here, and then we left open a gap. This happened. The same thing happened yesterday. The same exact thing happened yesterday around the same time, to be honest. It was around like 10:50 actually. 10:50. The same exact setup happened. So the ES come to a breaking point, stopping point, nope, not yet. 5-minute, anything on a 5-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. So we should stay above these for the most part. We got the close, the open here of this candle, which is sensitive. The high, this whole entire area is sensitive, so I would want to see price really stay above this area. We could could retrace back into this inefficiency here on the 15-minute. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So we do have this here now. I'm at break even, so whatever happens, happens. But we do have that there. On the ES, what do we have? Really nothing. We have this intermediate turn rebalance right here. So with that candle, intermediate rebalance, intermediate term rebalance, intermediate rebalance. There. So let's see how that holds up. This is on the 5-minute. We should hold up. Looks like we may not though. Looks like we're gonna get hit at break even. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get hit at break even today. Did we tap into that inefficiency? We did. Super small, super tiny, but I like how we treat this inefficiency here on the 5-minute. I like it a lot. I like how we stand. I like how we just wick through it. The candle is coming to a closure, so hopefully we can stay in the upper quadrant, the upper portion of the candle and continue to push to the upside. But this is what we don't want to see. We also have this order block here, but it's looking like we about to hit my break even. Looking like we about to get hit at break even, so tapped into it once more there. Respected that as well. I like how this is playing out. This is letting me know that we could stay on the bullish side of things. This is a bullish signature to me. So hopefully we can stay above this gap and start trading out of it. That'd be super nice if that could happen. Tap into it again there. My first book, The Purpose, man, playbook is officially released. Imagine we push higher and price came this close. Price comes this close to my my entry. That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. So let's see if it plays out. $11:30 now, or 11:40. So we're inside the lunch hour. And it's at 1:30. Hopefully we can stay bullish. Let me clean this up. Oh no, that's the 15 minutes, so I need that. Start cleaning this up a little bit. Let me get rid of get rid of that. It really should be good. Like, realistically, price doesn't even need to come back towards this area. It doesn't. It can. It can step into it once, two, three, four, how many times it won't. But I really want to see price just deliver higher from this area. We stabbed into it a little bit there with that wick there at the bottom. So hopefully that can be enough. And we deliver higher from this area. If we could stay above this would be nice as well. ES is doing what it do. President Trump has revoked the Equal Employment Opportunity Acts of 1965. The order prohibited discrimination in hiring and employment based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. That's a good thing, right? I don't really know too much about politics, but that's a good thing, right? Trump has revoked the Equal Employment Opportunity Act of 1965. Revoked. The order prohibited discrimination in hiring. Oh, okay, so basically, my computer's on 10%. Oh my God. Oh my God. Remember, smooth equal highs here. Smooth highs. Smooth highs there. This run is looking like very weak. I mean, it is on the 1 minute. 5 minute does look way better. So, ooh, sheesh. ES took out the smooth highs, right? We just took out those highs. Let's see if we get to the next objective now, which would be this high. I wonder if, since Trump is talking, I mean, I kind of want to hold this position for quite some time now. I really do believe that we can get to this level down here. So I kind of want to hold for the time being. We up 300 so far. I want to lock something in. Is there anything I can put with my TP higher. Oh my God, look at that. That's one drop. Wow. That's a crazy drop, ain't it? It's a crazy drop. I am at break even though, so it ain't like I'm losing anything. No, it not. This is crazy. This is a crazy drop right here. This is crazy. And you see our price was just jagged, going up, going up, going up. That did not look. This did not look promising. So ES just took a shit. We took out the highs. I wonder if I should have just. That was a low hanging fruit objective. That definitely was. We're gonna see. A lot of back and forth action right now. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see. We didn't break below. I mean, we kind of broke below this. This is a bearish candle. Could consider that a change in the state, but go to the 30-second. $47, 11 points left on the, about 12 points left on the table. Let's wait and see, man. We got 11 minutes inside this 15-minute candle. I like how we already kind of did the move lower. Like we already made a wick lower. So hopefully we should, if everything is being respected to the upside, like all these bullish PD arrays, this fair value gap here, order block there, this fair value gap here, this order block there. So we tapped into it once more. We stayed in the upper quadrant, which is what we want to see. We want to see price respect the lower half and stay in the upper half. That happened. So let's see if we can continue to push to the upside, man. I am at break even, so I wouldn't be losing anything. I am up about 200. I did lose 430 this morning. So I don't mind, just taking what the market gives me now. But like I said, I truly do believe that we can get to this level today. I truly do believe we can. My computer's on 7%. I may have to, yeah, both of them are being used. I may have to figure something out about that. I may have to use my computer camera. That'd be alright though. Yeah, so 7%, we good. Do you ever take partials? Nah, not really. This is my, I'm new to the whole Topstep thing and the contract thing. I'm used to trading like Forex, prop firms for the most part, where like, I'm not really used to taking partials, put it like that. And I'm currently trying to get funded now. I'm trying to pass this. So once that does happen, once I do pass one of these 50K Topstep accounts, and then I'll look more into taking partials. But for the most part, I kind of just want to like, I want to carry on with my whole move. What's good, Flexi, bro? So looking at this here, looking at this candle, and I'm also, so I'm looking at this candle here, seeing how if we trade into the main threshold of it, And I'm also looking at this wick here. This wick, I'm treating it as a gap. Let me get rid of that. So we are trading in the lower quadrant of this wick, which is what I don't want to see happen. I want to see us stay in the upper quadrant of this wick here, this large wick. So may just get hit at break even. Yeah, it's looking like I'm going to get hit at break even. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, we took out the smooth highs. Probably should have took profits there and just called it a day. Came back tomorrow. Sorry though. It is what it is. Look at this one candle. I was wishing we can get the reversal out of this inefficiency here, but didn't go as planned. Looking at this candle here now. Where did we close? We came back again. We'll probably go short from here. We'll probably start looking. Market will probably go short from here. We'll probably sell from there though. Then my that'll get hit. Yeah. Yeah, because we already took out the equal high. We already took out the highs here. They were smooth. I mean, it wasn't this high, but it still was a form of liquidity there. So price may use this to send price lower. It'd be nice if we didn't, but that's most likely what's going to happen probably. What's good, cuz? If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like and comment. I'm 13 subscribers away from 400, so I would really appreciate if y'all hit the sub button for me and we keep going. So we're already above the midpoint of the gap, which is nice. We do got 30 seconds left inside this candle, so a lot can happen. Just waiting to see. Came all the way back to the 5-minute gap. Hopefully we can close outside of this gap. That'd be nice. If we got 15 seconds left inside this 5-minute candle, and we got 5 minutes left inside the 15-minute candle. So if we can stay above, that'd be very, very nice. We came super close to taking to hit me at break even. We still can. We cut outside the line just a little bit. See this happen all the time. So the way this is looking, price looks like it may. Let me see what ES is doing. Yeah, I may I'm up 190, 1155. I don't want to regret my decision, but we did color outside the lines on ES, but on NQ we did color outside the lines, as you can see here. But on ES we still inside the gap. I just really believe the dollar can go lower like it's doing now. I think we could still go lower, right? Look at the order flow it's giving us. If we go down to, as you can see, bam, we took that high. run on stops there. We'll trade into this here. So this 5-minute candle, it didn't make like a wick. It didn't make a wick. So computer's at 2. My computer's at 2%. What I may do is I may just have to close the trade here and just take it. My computer's gonna die. What can I do? Let me see something really quick. I have to figure something out, but we got the wick now. I really don't want my computer to die. It's at, let me see, 2%. I may have to just, yes. I really believe like this move has a lot of potential to go to the downside, bro, on dollar. But I may have to just take what I got. 25 points on a good amount of contracts. Recipe then leave runners. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna cut this off for 1 second. 1 second, hold on. Cut that off for 1 second. And NQ is super trash. It definitely is trash. Definitely. I may end up just taking profits now and just calling it a day. Yeah. That's what it's looking like I should do. I want to see how we treat this quadrant here. ES is looking like we want to go lower though. It's looking like we may want to go lower on ES. So we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, you know what? We'll just take it, just close it, take the little 100. That'd be all right. Break even is definitely about to get tagged now. Definitely about to get tagged at break even. It's just, bro, like the market is giving me false promises, bro. This is not it. False promises, bro. We tapped into it way too many times. Way too many. I'm looking at this candle here. This would be the only thing that could support price still going higher for the most part. We stay in the upper quadrant of this order block, but it's
Order
like,
filled.
oh, order just got filled. That'll be it, man. That'll be it. Probably should have took profits at the lowest hanging fruit once I seen this happen on ES. I Probably should just took it there, but I thought that price could come there. We didn't even create a wick on the 1 hour yet, so I do believe we still probably can go a little higher. Man, bro, shit's annoying. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. That'll be it. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about 13 subscribers away from 400, so I would appreciate if you guys hit the sub button for me. I'll be back tomorrow to see if I can eliminate some of this loss here. So yeah, that'll be it. Super annoying, bro. Super annoying, bro. This shit's just ass. This shit's just ass, bro. Shit's just ass, bro. Take a screenshot of this really quick. Want to know? So 0 and 1 for the day, bro. Fuck. Break even trade there. I'm not taking any more trades. Let me go ahead and just chill.